Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Piotr here. We are going to discuss crypto market today, a little bit of the update. So it's some kind of the technical analysis, some kind of the trading plan, only here, Light Forex Global YouTube channel. So without a further delay, let's go straight into the chart, guys. Okay, so of course, let's start with the Bitcoin versus US dollar. If you remember, we had this type of the break to the upside with already the break been tested, right? So the line, the broken trend line been tested. Then here, the 14th of January, another break to the upside, right? That's good. That's what we've seen, right? Then 4 days ago, we're trying to break even higher, right? But for now, this 9,200, right, hit the supply wall, and we've seen some kind of the profit taking, right? Not surprised. We discussed it. We have this line here for quite some time. All right, so that's how it looks for now. Well, from seller's perspective, after this outside day, huge sell-off, right? As you can see, we were not able to continue. We didn't make lower low. It's gonna be important within the second I'm going to explain you. First thing first, from the very conservative perspective, what the bulls are doing, the same what we discussed previously. We had a rally, right? We had some kind of the consolidation and we had continuation. So we have this base possible demand. So I would like to see deeper pullback towards 8,000 or maybe a little bit below. That's the conservative stuff, right? The thing is, we are get back into what we have right here, right now, that not necessarily this conservative setup might be in play. If everything is going to be positive towards the crypto, right? If the current environment is gonna be warmer towards this new technology, well, continuation based on what we have here might be straight. We might not see the conservative setup with the break and retest of 8,000 like, you know, inside the book. Well, we might see some smart money buying right here, chasing the market a bit, but then those who were taking profit here, right, they are going to stay without the position, so they are going to be forced to buy eventually higher. So that's how I see the things. Quite important is going to be what we are going to get today, right? Because still this conservative setup as a one-to-one, right? One move, correction, one move, all right? And we are right at this top of the demand zone, right? So the one-to-one is still possible, all right? On the other hand, when we are talking about the sellers, so of course, I can imagine that we have some very aggressive sellers. We have some supply, right, at the top, so around 9,200. But I think we might see a little bit higher level, and I think 9,600, 10,000 is going to be tested, right? So I think that this supply, this psychological 10,000 level is going to be tested, and we are going probably to get our answer medium and long term right here around 10K, right? Now, and here at 10,000. I really do expect a wall of supply over there, right? So, well, we will see. And that's it from the long and medium term perspective. Shorter term, let's switch to the intraday chart, right? From the trading perspective, right? From the trading perspective, what we have? We have this consolidation after the sell-off over here, right? Market was trying twice to move away from here, right? We have some kind of the possible supply somewhere here, all right? So I do expect, if you are going to make the measure, if you are going to make your own measure, right? I think we have right now the pullback towards the 50% of that consolidation, all right? I do expect some buying going on around 8,600, 8,500 with the possible target around 8,900, 9,000, right? That's how I see the bullish setup. The bearish setup for the sellers, well, market was trying to run away, failed, right? So market is going to punish those buyers, right? And right here, right now, because of the failure at the top of this consolidation, right, we are about to see the lower levels towards the 8,200, 8,000, also based on the same, on the size of that consolidation, right? So something like this, and the same to the upside. So that's why the levels we discussed a second ago, right? So that's how I see the things from the short-term perspective. Let's switch to Ripple. We haven't spoke about the Ripple for quite some time, all right? So there you go. Very, very interesting things are going on here. I know that there are two big camps, either lovers of the Ripple and haters of the Ripple, but we are going to discuss from the neutral perspective, not trying to bias anyone, all right, but trying to take what we have on the chart. And to be honest with you, there are some positive things going on. So that's the latest consolidation, right, before huge breakdown being seen, right? We are talking about the late November consolidation and then December sell-off, okay? Then what? After short period of consolidation, market was trying to get back here and hit the wall of the supply based on this consolidation before the sell-off, right? So that was the wall of supply pullback. But we've seen only shallow pullback and then another rally. And guess what? We took out the supply based on that consolidation, right? We took out this supply. We've been as high as here, okay? So now, based on that, I'm taking this and especially this pre-breakdown consolidation, right, as some supply which has been taken out. So right now, ladies and gents, each pullback towards this particular consolidation, right, been bought, right? So in my opinion, as long as we are above 22 cents, 21.50, based on the daily and weekly closes, we got the chance to retest higher levels, in that case towards 26, 27 cents, and as high as 31, 32 cents on the Ripple. Okay, that's how I see the things on the Ripple versus US dollar. And well, the very bullish camp probably see the things the same way. The bears are not gonna be so happy. All right, guys. So that was the short update when it comes to the crypto market. Please don't be trapped. A lot of things going on lately. So of course, if necessary, I'm going to get back with the additional information. Have a great rest of the day. Don't be trapped again, and see you around, guys. Thank you very much and goodbye.